Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable do not disturb mode. Friends, you want to disable your do not disturb. So friends, how can you disable it? And friends, how can you remove this moon icon on your screen? Guys, you can see this moon icon, and friends, you want to disable it. So friends, you can disable means you can off this icon. And guys, now let's see how to remove this icon on our Realme phone. Friends, first of all, open your phone setting and scroll it. And friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here and guys click on your do not disturb setting. And friends, you can see your do not disturb setting friends here, and guys you want to disable. So on your screen guys you can see right side this icon, so guys tap here to disable. Then do not disturb mode will disable, and guys if moon icon will remove on your screen. You can check friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable do not disturb in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.